And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate Rumba choreography with teaching count. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's look at same Rumba choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start in close hold and start with preparation step on 4-1, then we dance close basic, and we continue with close hip twist ending, and we will finish in open position. From here we dance Cuban rocks, and we continue with close hip twist again to open position, and we dance basic 2 progressive walks. Notice lady uses slight swivel action, which is of course optional. And we finish with open hip twist ending to fan position. Very good. And now let's see once again choreography in slow motion from opposite direction. So we start from close hold, preparation step, and close basic. Now we release close hold and dance open hip twist to open position. Now Cuban rocks. And we continue with hip twist ending to open position. From here we dance basic, 2 progressive walks. Man walks backward, lady walks forward. Notice man doesn't walk straightly backward but uses curved trajectory, and lady can optionally use slight swiveling action. And we finish with open hip twist to fan position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.